back to Craig's Custom Cooking. Today I'm going to make a tomahawk steak. So let me get everything ready and I'll show you the process. Alright, so here's our tomahawk steak. It's 2.5 inches thick. It's 2.79 pounds. I got it from Country Corner Meat Market in Blue Ridge Summit, Pennsylvania. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece of meat. So, because it's so thick, I'm going to take my meat tenderizer. I'm going to poke holes in this, especially in the fat areas. The fat is very hard right now. This will help tenderize it up. It'll also help the spices absorb into the meat. You can see the fat is very, very tough right now. Alright. And then as before, the Jaccard comes apart. You just take these pieces apart, put it in the dishwasher, and clean it up. So the next step is I'm going to use Cowboy steak seasoning. It's one of my favorites. We're just going to coat the outside of this steak seasoning. Don't be worried about getting too much on. This is a very, very thick piece of meat. I'm going to pack that in real good. Don't forget to get the edges. Mine around on the extra spice. Get it on the sides. Alright, here's our tomahawk steak. It's seasoned up. I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator for about 6 hours. And then I'm going to cook it. Welcome back, everybody. Here's my grill. It's up to about 275 degrees. I'm actually going to bump the temperature up a little bit. I want to try to maintain it around 300. So I turned it up. I'm setting a little over low. So let me get the steak ready and I'll bring you back. Alright, so here is my tomahawk steak. I took it out of the refrigerator, let it come up to room temperature. Just going to take it and I'm going to lay it on this side of the grill. My heat's coming from this side, so we got an indirect heat on this side of the grill. So right now I'm just going to close it. I'm going to bring it up to 300 degrees and I'm going to let it cook until the inside reaches almost 195 degrees. Then we're going to reverse sear it, and then it'll be ready to eat. Alright, I just opened up my grill. The internal temperature is 250. The external is showing 325. So I'm just going to turn this over. I just probed it, but I'm going to probe it again. The inside of the steak is only showing like 50 degrees. So it's got a ways to go. So I'll bring you back. Alright, everybody, I got my steak was up to 125 degrees. Now I'm going to reverse sear it. I got all 3 of my burners on high. I have the grill up to 500 degrees. And I'm going to reverse sear this. Now I'm going to watch it very closely. Got some char on there. I'm going to reverse it. Try to get the 45-degree angle on it. And the flame is because of the fat that's dripping off as it's frying. But that's fine because I want to sear it. So we're going to let it, if it wants to flame up, that's fine. Alright. I'm just going to use my hot pad. I'm going to grab my bone. I'm going to flip it over the other way. Alright, it's been on this side for a minute or two. Flip it over. We're going to finish the other side. Alright, it's completely done. I'm going to shut my grill down. I'm going to plate it up, and I'll see you inside. Alright, this is my tomahawk steak on my plate. I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. I'm going to let it rest for 12 minutes. Alright, our steak has set and rested for 12 minutes. That's what our steak's going to look like. Now, I'm going to take my filleting knife. I'm going to cut this off the bone. There's the inside. It's a medium rare. We cut this down the middle. So you can see the inside. And that's a medium rare. So I'm just going to cut these into thinner slices. There's a whole lot of fat in this one, so let me try to show you one of the pieces. Half of that piece right there is all fat, so it's going to be very good. The other side has less fat in it. There's the other side. So there's a little bit of fat here, there's a little bit of fat here. So let me get this sliced up and I'll bring you back. Alright, welcome to our table. This is our tomahawk steak that I made on the grill. This is the bone out of it. Some people call it a Fred Flintstone because it looks like a great big bone out of a dinosaur. My wife made cauliflower and broccoli.
Roasted in the oven.
Yeah, it's been roasted in the oven. And then this is I just posted a video for this today. This is green tea, passion fruit, strawberry iced tea. You need to try it. It's very good.
Yeah, it's so good. I love it too.
Yeah. My wife loves it. She has a shake that she made with banana,
avocado,
strawberry.
Yep. Milk.
So she's going to finish that and then drink some more of this.
Yeah, I will drink some of that.
So,
Ooh.
which one do you want? I know you want to chew on the bone.
Yeah.
I know you.
Yeah,
but
I will just do the bone first. And Rainbow can have some.
Yes, there's plenty here.
Do you think he can chew the whole thing?
Just give it to him. Let him deal with it.
Okay.
I mean, I know you like the meat off the bone, so.
I want
Let me
to
get you.
let him have it. I know he will love it. I just take a few bites. Thanks. Rainbow. Rainbow. Come here. Rainbow. Sit. Hold it.
Our dog loves to just sit there and lick it. So
The meat of the bone is the best.
I'm going to try the vegetables.
So tender.
Cauliflower is very good. So is the broccoli.
Meat
Good
is very
job.
good too. Did a good job. He dig on it too.
This is basically a prime rib. That's what a tomahawk steak is. It's part of the prime rib out of a cow. So it's basically a prime rib. It's only an inch and a half thick instead of being like a 5 bone or a 7 bone. But it's technically the same exact thing. And the meat is absolutely tender.
Yeah. So good.
All right, everybody, we're gonna finish our meal. I hope you liked what we cooked tonight. If you like our channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and the bell for future notifications. And we'll see you in the next video. You have a wonderful night.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.